US indices with S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow, all the three traded in a very narrow zone. Today, before the big move, they are going to deliver with the inflation data. Which direction it's gonna be, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow with the inflation data and with the US session today. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, in the end Dow. Watch S&P on the hourly charts. If you look at the movement here after this bigger decline, rise, retracement, it has to retrace all the way towards 6040, which is not showing as of now. Wait for it to now trade below 6050 54 zone. If you see it is staying below 6050 54, expect it to move towards 6040 35, and below 6040 35 is where you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Right now, I can see it has formed double top, and it has all the possibility for it to in fact break below 6040 to all the way towards the bottom. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI trying to look upwards. On the 2-hour chart, you can notice that the 20 period is providing it a little support. So let it stay below 605450. You can expect more bearishness from there. And notice that, see, this flat top is very important. When you see such flat tops, it suggests that stronger reversal should be there. So let's wait. Also notice double top is done, so possibility of a double bottom will be high. Stochastic rising, MACD flat, RSI flat here. Coming to 3-hour, the observation here is more or less same. The resistance here, the support on the downside. Now see, this zone till towards 6040 is very critical for S&P. Only and only if it trades below 6040, 6035, you can expect that the bears are taking over. Else it is still not bearish. Look at the moving averages are running parallel. This is still a bullish sign. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD almost flat here after the crossover. RSI is running flat. On the 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Moving average is running parallel. Prices are trying to bounce back. Only buying entry I will recommend is at 6072 levels. Beyond this, 6080, 6085 should be there. And if these two levels are taken, stay bullish for 6100, 6120. Though I do not expect it to deliver that. Stochastic looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. The MACD almost flat. The RSI is almost flat. Coming to look at the daily charts here. See what has happened here after the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, the drop, slight retracement. Now it is waiting for a breakout, and does a breakout beyond 6085, 6100 is the confirmation of a reversal. Else I do not treat this as bearish. Only thing I am looking here is it has formed a big tail and it can try to break out. So let's wait and watch if it delivers a breakout here. Else what is happening? One bearish candle retracement, and the second one is going to be further bearish, which is going to take it below 6000. MACD, stochastic, RSI, all are running flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 6060 levels. Expect 605450 as the first target zone. Below this, 6042 should appear, and below 6042, 6035. If 604035 zone is taken, you can just stay short from there. 6020, 6000 should be there very soon. On the, I'll recommend a buying entry at 6072, 74 zone. Expect 6080, 6085. If these two levels are taken, that is 6080, 85, stay bullish for 6100, 6120 levels. Though in my opinion, chances appear to be less, and thus focus on the downside where you can just take a selling entry and wait for it to just trade below 6040 levels, where you can expect more bearishness here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. And before we look at Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart. So yes, 100, see, rise, retracement, then a bigger rise, then a retracement. Now it is waiting for a breakout, and thus you have to also wait for it to trade beyond 21760, which can take it further highs towards 21800, 840. If 21800 and 840 is taken, we are ready for what? Ready for a stronger rise here, which can in fact take it towards 21,880, 900, or in fact 22,000 levels, though chances appears to be less here. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here, which could be taken at around 21,670 levels. But let's have a further look. See the stochastic rising here, the MACD flat here, the RSI is rising here. Indicators are supportive of further bullishness. Look at the 2-hour chart. Similar observation. After forming the support, it is trying to break out. Now this breakout can bring enormous bullishness. So if you see it is staying beyond 21,760, stay bullish till 21,800. Here's the indicators. Stochastic is rising, MACD is flat, RSI is rising. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See, it has formed a very good support here at the 20 period moving average. It has to close below 20 period moving average in order to confirm reversal. Indicators, stochastic is rising while the MACD and RSI are still flat. And on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, I do not confirm this as reversal as long as 21,760 is not taken, above which it is not going to come back. We can look forward to 21,800, and if 21,800 is taken, there is no point staying short with Tech 100. See what is happening. Divide this into two and you will find a symmetry here. So this suggests that at least 21,600 should be breached, and then you can expect 21,400 in lower levels. Stochastic has dropped, MACD flat, RSI flat. Coming to daily chart, the observation is more or less same. See, it has already formed a tail waiting for a breakout beyond 21,760 and 800 is where the bulls will be taking over completely, and then we can look forward to a stronger rise. Also notice retracement rise retracement, and this is the second wave which is going on, and thus you have to wait for it to trade below the critical support zones here. If you see it is staying now below 21,570, you can take 670, you can take a selling entry for 640 and 600, and below that 21,540 and 500 should be there. Below 21,500 is where a stronger correction is waited. Strong correction is awaited here, where we can look forward to 21,300, 21,200, or in fact lower levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts has retraced. It has taken the support from the 20 period, 50 period moving average. It has to just trade now above 44,600, 44,500, 600 zone. This is the zone which is going to remain most critical, and thus you have to watch out how it behaves in this complete zone. Any breakout on the upside or on the downside is a clear sign of more bearishness. Stochastic rising here. The MACD has crossed over for a sell, and it is this crossover is covered at slightly lower levels. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you look at the 2-hour chart, see here also you can see the support from the 20-50 period moving average, and thus it is very important for US30 to either trade below to 44,500 or to trade above 44,600 in order to confirm the direction here. The stochastic is rising here. The MACD is in green. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is also clean, and it is almost on the 3-hour charts. Now notice what has happened. The rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement. Higher lows are seen, so higher highs can be expected. Higher highs means a possibility for a move towards 44,800. And remember, this time if it breaks beyond 44,800, this is going to land above 45,000 as well. Let's watch out. Right now it is too early to conclude on that. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green. The RSI is flat. On the 4-hour charts, more or less similar observation. See, you can notice the reversal sign retracement, and it is now seen taking support from 44,500. Thus, very important for it to trade below 44,500, 480, which is going to be the first support zone, which can take all the way towards 44,400 and 44,200 zone. While on the upside, if you look at the before we come to the buying entries, stochastic is looking downwards, MACD is in green, RSI is flat on the 4-hour charts. And on the daily charts, it is very important point to note, prices have taken the support from the 20 period, and thus it is very crucial for US30 to trade below the 20 period moving average that is sitting at around 44,300 zone. So this is the zone you should watch out for. This is going to remain the prime support zone here for the day. Stochastic rising here. MACD has crossed over for sell. This is very important. See, divide this into two, you can find out the symmetry. This zone, this move is done. Now it is looking forward to this, which means straight bearishness may prevail here. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, what I will recommend you to sell here at 44,500, 480, expect 44,400, 44,350, 360 at the next, and then below that you can expect a good round of drop all the way towards 44,200 and lower levels. And on the upside, I have already mentioned, if you're buying at 44,600, you can be careful. 44,650, 44,710, 44,800, and if 44,800 is taken, we are looking forward to a greater rise here. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia session. Do not miss to watch that update. And today we have the inflation data release and then Chairman Powell's testimony. These two key events are going to be the driving factor. There can be much of volatility, and hence you should be trading with caution. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.